Good morning, PTM! Okay, isang magandang umaga po sa lahat. To God be the highest glory again this morning. Tinatawagan po natin ang mga participants natin sa katatapos lamang po na babasahin ko lang po We are humbly proud to share the special awards received of our PTM Radio Script Writing and Broadcasting team in the Regional Schools Press Conference held in Angels Hill Retreat and Formation Center, Tagaytay City, dito lang pong February 18 to 21, 2021. Out of 7 divisions in Mimaropa region, we are hailed as Best in Script Writing, champion po tayo dyan. Palakpak naman. Best in Commercial, champion. Best in Technical Application, first runner-up. Best Male Anchor, first runner-up. Best Female Anchor, second runner-up. And Best News Presenter, third runner-up. So overall po, first runner-up po ang Division of Occidental Mindoro. At school po natin, PTM po ang nag-represent ng Radio Broad. So palakpakan po natin lahat, tinatawagan po natin ang ating mga radio broadcasters. Technical, si Bruce Magbanwa po. Akito dito. Palakpak naman, people. Raven Canonigo. We also have Tracy Ginko, Keisha Hernalin, Angela Talior, Mark Lumugdang, at syempre hindi pwedeng mawala ang kanilang napakahusay na trainer and coach, Sir George. Tinatawagan po ang ating po mga principal, mga assistant principal, sir, and atong principal. Ma'am Eunice, Ma'am Jane po,